How's it going, everyone? Today's project is how to remove a transmission from a Craftsman self-propel front-wheel drive lawnmower. This is one I'm just parting out, so I thought I'd make a quick video on how to remove the transmission. So first thing you're going to want to do is, there is a spring that has a Z-bend in it. It goes into your transmission. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to push that guy through. That's the other end, and the cable comes through the deck. Get yourself a pair of pliers and squeeze, and there you go. It just comes straight through, and now you've removed the cable part. So from here, we're going to take off the wheels next. Alright, so get off the wheel. This is a 9/16 nut. I've already loosened that. And you pull the wheel straight up. Now, on these self-propels, if one wheel or another is not turning, check this out first. On the inside of your wheel, make sure your gear is nice. That usually wears down. This one is a metal gear, so that's not typically going to wear down on the plastic. Then you have an E-clip here. There we go. Here's your E-clip. Then your gear comes off, and it can only go on one way. Then on the shaft, there is a sort of a pin, roll pin, and then you can take this cover plate off. Alright, so we've exposed this end of the shaft. I'm going to flip the mower over, do the same thing on the other side. Zip that guy off. A little bit finicky. And gear on this side. Well, there you go. Perfect example of what I was talking about. All the gears from here to here are basically all the teeth all the way around, halfway around, are gone. So this wheel, toast. Didn't have any tread left on it anyway, so. Alright, and this gear looks okay too. It's a little worn, but nothing bad. Roll pin. So what we're going to have to do is take off one of these wheel assemblies here. Alright, so this looks like 7/16. There you have it. One Craftsman transmission. Alright guys, if you like the video today and you maybe learned a little bit, please hit the subscribe button. Really helps me out on the channel. Till next time guys, thanks so much for watching. Take care.